Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a Notion workspace and the external calendar credentials. Create or open the Notion page you want to sync into and add a calendar database view. Next, make an integration in Notion settings and copy the internal integration token. Grant the integration access to the page. If you prefer middleware, sign in to Zapier or make and create a new connection. Once done, you're ready to authorize the calendar source in the next steps. Now authorize your calendar provider and link it to Notion or your middleware. Grant the exact permissions you need. Read only for import, read/write for full sync, because permissions determine what updates propagate. Map calendar fields to Notion properties, title to name, start and end times to date, description to text, and attendees to people or multi-select tags. Then choose sync direction and frequency. Polling every 15 minutes is common. Make sure to test with a single event to confirm correct mapping and behavior. Finish by running a series of tests. Create an event in Notion and in your calendar, then modify and delete each to observe propagation. Check middleware logs or Notion activity for error messages and latency notes. Make sure time zones align and that the integration token hasn't expired. If something goes wrong, recheck permissions and field mappings first, then look for API rate limits or duplicate rules. Once resolved, schedule a maintenance check, and you'll have a reliable
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.